Doing an unboxing of the spring powered airsoft Ha-117. I think it's the Ha-117. Yeah, it's Ha-117. It's just a small one. Obviously I'm only 17, but I still get it. Nice box. All around. Right, let's get this top off. I've already had it open and cut the cable ties off because I don't see why the cable tie. I'm not using MBBs. They're just cheapy ones. I've had a few from a previous BB gun, which I've got in my pocket. This is also an unboxing and a shooting video of this gun. Back on the box. It's obviously blue. Would have been nice if it was on black, like. I've done is it talking? I'm shooting it. Okay. It's a magazine release. See, safety is there. And if you try to slide it up on one side, it just pushes the other side down. So I'm just pushing it up. So it's just going down like a cock. So you push both sides up, which puts the safety catch on, which kind of fire. Even cock it. No, take that off. I'm just fixed, got enough, and then it's not gonna shake. What I don't guess why they don't just cover this little shitty gap up, because it's my big hands. My hand tends to be down here. Takes up the whole hand grip. And find someone out. What's happening here is on that magazine back in. So we're gonna side catch. Wow. I'll pick these up. These I got when I went to an airsoft. I just kept a few because I bought a bag and brought a few down with me. Cause I've got the bigger bag in my room. Just put some in this bag. What I like about this magazine is it doesn't really have a safety catch on the magazine. You put the BBs in there. Right. Too many lights. Nothing counts. First thing first, yeah, you're gonna see it a bit dark. Just while I load the BB gun magazine up. Because I've got no extra hands to hold, but no one helped me. This is also a 1-to-1 replica of the Glock 17. So guys, what do you think of the gun? Comment what you think of it, and if I should do more videos of shooting it. Oh, that one's not gonna fit because it's a full mount now. Right, it's done. Stick them on the floor there. as you can see. Shit! Didn't mean to do that. No, I've just got 2 BBs. Where's the fucking other one? Maybe it is. My hairy leg. Ooh! There's a 10. There's a start. There it goes. Shouldn't be 2 to one side, it should be like stick a light on. Shit, that's 2, right? I'll stick a light on. Like that, 1, 2, 1, like 1 on each side, but it often does that. Fucks up, so 2 on one side. Don't like that much. But well. So. Here you go, zoom into the target. That was powerful. First shot. See what I did? Nope, never can I. This might be a long video, guys. I'll just do 2 more. And then this will upload it to YouTube. Balls fucking out. Balls to the fucking. Yes. Alright. Feel good now. I'm going straight in this hole. Right now, I know we should walk out the target. And this is where I hit. This was my first shot. Landed there. My second shot. Landed there. Third shot there. Fourth shot there. Fifth shot flew up there. Bounced about like a pellet. I just look at the stuff right now. I just can't look at you fucking scared to shout the salt if I could have holding it on. And the page flew open. Right, that's all for today, guys. Peace out.